Alright, so here we are at the Malibu, Georgia Adventures. We're racing, and here's Brian. Actually, you probably don't see it, but he actually kidnapped a child. So he's escaping from the police. Where's Brian? Come on, let's zoom on him. Nice, Brian. Nice. It doesn't seem like he's going very fast, but there's police chasing him, so it's obviously he's trying his best.
So I guess they're betting.
Woohoo! Did you like it? Yeah! Brian, you're crazy!
Yes, I am!
And the battle continues. Here's Sylvie keeping times. Here's Steven on a truck. Doesn't seem his time, 58.559. Not bad at all. So what's the secret? How do you go so fast?
Oh, that's what I went looking.
Oh, you weren't looking. All right. Okay. So that's how you go so fast. You just close your eyes.
Close your eyes
and go. All right. I'll try that. 62. An hour of this. See what's going on. They're talking about their tactics.
I'll go over. I didn't go over the green. I didn't go over the yellow.
See, they're talking what car is the best, what technique, what corner to take. After an hour of this, yeah, people are crazy. They're like, oh man, you should take this corner like that, and they're going like next and all that. But yeah, it's fun.
Ready? Yeah, I lost, so don't use steroids, because steroids don't help.
Don't worry. Okay, steroids not good.
I beat this British woman, so I'm very happy.
Okay, Brits drive on the long side of the road anyway, so there's the.
That's why she lost.
That's why you lost. Why did you lose? Did you lose? Oh really? Oh, so he fixed your car.
I fixed it.
Damn.
I'm calling for a federal investigation of the timekeepers. Obviously, it was fixed. I did not come in last. Not really.
I have nothing to say. Hey guys, how'd you like the race? We're making the final video.
That's a video?
How you like the race? Was it good?
Winner.
Winner! All right. Couple words. How'd you like it? How was it? Was it good?
It was good.
It was good.
It was awesome.
Guys, how'd you like the race?
Was fun.
Was fun. Was good. You guys like it?
I'm still car sick.
I was good, huh?
You're bad.
I'm bad. Okay, that's the conclusion. I'm bad. Bye.
Chocolate time.
That's a reward for racers.
Thank you.